Hello everyone. Today's video is a little special. Today it's my birthday, so in this video there's a giveaway quiz, and also the thing that we'll be learning today in this video is a perfect birthday gift. We'll be making a scrapbook which will look like a cake slice. Sounds interesting, isn't it? So without wasting much time, let's make it. All materials used in this video are available on our website www.srushti.patil.sp. Don't forget there's a giveaway quiz and 3 winners will get free coupons worth ₹1000. So watch this video till the end to know more about the giveaway. Also, if you enjoy watching our videos, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Follow us on Instagram @allaboutssketch and @srushti.patil.com. Now moving towards the giveaway. The rules are very simple. I'll ask 3 questions, and if you know the answers, you can write down your answers in the comment section below. And 3 lucky winners will be chosen from the people who answered correctly. Also, the winners will get ₹1000 coupon of our website as a reward. That means the winners can get any materials worth ₹1000 for free from our website. Now moving towards the question. So the first question is, what is the tagline of srushti.patil.com? Second question is, when was our website srushti.patil.com launched? Even if you guys tell me the month our website was launched, it will be still counted as a correct answer. And the third question is, who is the founder of srushti.patil.com? Now if you guys think the answer is me, then you guys are wrong. It's someone else. The winners will be announced on next Saturday, that is 29 June, on our Instagram account @allaboutssketch. So make sure you follow that account to know who the winners are, as you might be one of them. Also, I would like to give a small hint. Go and check out our website. You might find answers to all 3 questions on our website. So go check out our website and participate to win. I wish you all good luck. enjoyed watching this video, and if you guys did, then like, comment and share it with your friends and family. Also, if you want tutorial for any other card, you can direct message me on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Bye, and I love you all.